The Epomaker AKKO 3061 World Tour Tokyo is one of the nicest looking entry level 60% keyboards I have ever seen, but is the keyboard as good as it looks? Let's find out. The AKKO 3061 World Tour retails for $99 USD and comes in a pleasant pink box with exceptional artwork on it, and on the front of the box it shows what switch you got. The one I have came with Cherry MX Reds, which are a linear switch. Out of the box it comes with a quality purple wire keycap puller, a pink 1.6 meter cable, and a user manual, which you most likely are going to need as the keyboard doesn't have any secondary functions on the keycaps or any software. And finally, it comes with 12 amazing PBT keycaps that you can change for some of the ones that come on the keyboard by default if you wish. It uses USB-C, and the cable it comes with is very nice and matches the color of the keyboard. Although it is not braided and just rubber, it is still very high quality. The cutout of the port is wide enough so you can use a custom cable if you wish. I have been using the purple space cable from Drop, which is super nice. The case is made of plastic and is light at around 1 pound, but doesn't move around thanks to the rubber feet on the bottom. You can also adjust the height to 2 other heights, but I just keep it at the lowest height as it feels the most natural to me. The best part of this keyboard to me is the keycaps. Of course, this is the reason you would get this keyboard, as it has a brilliant Tokyo themed design. The keycaps are made of PBT plastic, and since this keyboard doesn't have any RGB, they are not backlit keycaps. Even without RGB, this is still the best looking keyboard I have ever owned, and it has incredible detail. I really like the replacement keycaps this comes with, as they have some really cool designs on them. And the spacebar is super nice. It looks really relaxing. I don't know how to explain it, it just looks relaxing and has a mountain and some cherry blossom trees on it, and it just looks super clean. To use the arrow keys, you have to either hold function and press the WAS or D keys, or you can press and hold function and W for 3 seconds to change the WASD keys to the arrow keys, and then do the same thing to change them back. This is a cool feature that they added so you can hold down the arrow keys if you're using them for a game or something else. As some 60% keyboards, they actually only allow you to tap the arrow keys, which I really don't like because you can't hold them if you're playing a game that requires you to hold them, or if you just need to hold it for something else. But I do wish that they had the arrow keys in the bottom right corner instead of using the WAS and D keys. But you can always actually program the keys using macros so you can have the arrow keys in the bottom right. And it's pretty great that they allow you to add macros even though there isn't a software. It's actually pretty easy, and they explain it really well in the quick start guide, so I'm just going to show it quick on screen. So if you want to pause the video to read it, if you're looking for that, you can do so right now. And for the secondary functions, you are also going to need the guide, so here they are right now. Like I said, I got mine with Cherry MX Reds, which are a linear switch and feel great on this keyboard. The stabilizers are actually pretty good on this keyboard, which is unusual for a pre-built keyboard without lubing, which makes this keyboard fairly silent. Here's a quick sound test of the red switches on this keyboard. Overall, this keyboard doesn't really have any faults. It looks amazing, like I cannot stress this enough. It looks incredible, it feels great to type on, and has all the features you would expect on a 60% keyboard. If you are not dead set on RGB lights, for the price it is just around the same price as the AN Pro 2, and I feel like I would recommend this keyboard more as it feels just as good to type on, and to me the design is just better. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you want to, I have a Discord channel with a lot of cool people in it, so if you'd like to join, the link will be in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.